They say money changes people, but in trading, it's losses that truly reveal who you are. When the charts are red, when silence fills the room, that's when you meet your real self. Every trader dreams of that moment when chaos turns into clarity, when losses stop breaking you and start teaching you. But how do you know you're truly changing? Because profitability isn't just in your profits, it's in your mind. Today, I'll show you 5 powerful signs you're finally becoming a profitable trader, signs Jess Livermore himself lived by long before the age of screens and signals. Sign 1. You no longer chase. Every move. You open your chart and it's not price you're fighting, it's yourself. Fear says, don't enter. Greed says, double down. But you've learned to wait. Livermore said, it was never my thinking that made me money. It was my sitting. That stillness, that ability to let the market come to you, is the first sign you're evolving. When you wait, not because you're scared, but because you know better, you've already stepped into the mindset of a professional. Sign 2. You stop believing in control. The cruelest illusion in trading is control. You analyze, plan, predict, and still the market humbles you. Because the market doesn't reward effort, it rewards discipline. Every time you tried to force a trade, you were negotiating with your own ego, not reading the market. Livermore's words still echo. The market is never wrong, only opinions are. The moment you stop trying to control the market and start respecting its rhythm, that's when maturity begins. Sign 3. You value restraint. Overaction. 1907, the panic year. Fear consumed Wall Street. While others panicked, Jesse Livermore sat still. He waited for confirmation, and then he acted. That single act of patience made him $3 million, a fortune worth hundreds of millions today. He later said, "It wasn't intelligence that made me money. It was my ability to stay right by not doing wrong." That's trading maturity, winning by restraint, not reaction. Sign 4. You take responsibility for every loss. Even Livermore fell. He lost everything more than once, not because the market changed, but because he did. He wrote, "After losing, I never blame the market. I blame my impatience, my failure to listen." That's the 4th sign, accountability. Profitable traders don't find excuses. They find patterns. They don't protect their ego. They protect their discipline. Because every loss is feedback, not punishment. Sign 5. You trade with patience, not emotion. From his greatest failures came Livermore's golden rule. Trade only when the market confirms your idea, not when your emotions demand it. He called it the sitting rule, the art of doing nothing until the odds align. He learned that patience isn't weakness, it's precision, and that one rule still separates amateurs from professionals. In today's hyper-fast markets, the calmest trader still wins, because patience compounds faster than profits ever can. How you apply it. Watch the open without trading. Observe, don't react. Define your confirmation signals. Act only when they align. No hesitation. And review what you didn't trade. Those skipped setups are your real education. When these 5 signs begin to show in your behavior, you stop chasing money and start mastering yourself. Because Livermore's greatest trade wasn't made on Wall Street. It was made in his mind. If you felt even one of these signs, that quiet shift inside you, comment "I'm evolving" below. And if this story touched you, subscribe for more untold lessons from history's greatest traders, because your next breakthrough might just start with a single mindset shift.